Hey, I'm back with a quick video. We're finna make this real quick, man. Like, share, subscribe. We back. We got some bigger tires on the Cateye. 265/70 Nitto Terra Grapplers. You dig? Let y'all check it out. 265/70 Nitto Terra Grapplers. And they look good. I was gonna go 285s, but the 285s go to rubbing on this bumper valance. 285s go to rubbing on this and it started tearing it up. I had to replace that like 2-3 times on my last Cateye, so I ain't going 285s, man. This is the biggest we going right here. And these look super good to me. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. These things look good, man. We just got them put on. We got the old tires in the back, and 245 70s, I think. 245 70. $245 70 17. Yeah, good rich. It was too small. Way too small. These look a lot better. Whole lot better. They ain't too big, they ain't too small. They perfect. They perfect. Check it out. They perfect. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. How we looking? I was thinking about leaving it at stock height, but you know we ain't gonna do that. You know we gonna lift it up a little bit. Just a tad bit. We ain't gonna lift it up high like we did last time. We're just gonna go with a little level. We're gonna do something about the flares soon too. We gotta do something about the fender flares. And we gotta do something about that trim. I got some more fender flares, and I'm gonna try to color match them with the GM touch-up paint that they got at Advanced Auto. I'm gonna try to do that real soon. And if I can't get the color match, we're just gonna leave these fender flares on. Do something about that trim on the door. It look good right now, man. 265/70 17 Nitto Terra Grapplers, all-terrain tire. Let me know what y'all think. Like, share, subscribe. I want to make a little quick video as soon as I put the tires on. Like, share, subscribe. We out.